नौमि जनकसुतावरं श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनं श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। सिर मुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु दारु अंग विभूषणम् आजानुभुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित खर दूषणम् श्रीराम जय जय राम। इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कुञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादिखल दल गञ्जनं श्रीराम जय राम श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणं नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणं श्रीराम जय राम श्रीराम जय राम जय राम।
रामचरितमानस से पाठ। मनुष्य शरीर के समान कोई शरीर नहीं है, सभी जीव उसकी याचना करते हैं। मनुष्य शरीर नरक, स्वर्ग और मोक्ष की सीढ़ी है तथा कल्याणकारी ज्ञान, वैराग्य और भक्ति देने वाला है। ऐसे मनुष्य शरीर को धारण करके भी जो लोग प्रभु भजन नहीं करते और निम्न कर्मों में संलग्न रहते हैं, वे पारस मणि फेंक देते हैं और बदले में कांच के टुकड़े ले लेते हैं।
ओम श्री राम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तन्तुल्यं श्रीराम नाम वरानने। हे विश्व ब्रह्मांडर स्वामी, कोटि जीवंकर प्राणदाता, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्रीराम, तुम्हें तो अंतर्जामी, तुम्हें सत्य, तुम्हें प्रेम, तुम्हें सर्व उपस्थित। आमे हेलु निरीह प्राणी, एही धरापृष्ठ रे जन्म ग्रहण करी बहुत दुख कष्ट रे अच्छु प्रभु। चारिआडे खाली दुख, महामारी, कष्ट, चाषी मानक दुख जे सेमानंकु आजि पर्यंत न्याय मिलिला नाही। विद्यार्थी मानकर दुख, सेमानंक मन विचलित जे किपरि सेमाने आगकु जाई परीक्षा देबे। नारी माने निर्यातित, वृद्ध माने निर्यातित, एपरि काहेकि प्रभु? पुणी थरे तुम राम राज्य फेरी आसंतानी, पुणी थरे समस्ते धरापृष्ठ रे खुशी होई आनंद रे रुहंते प्रभु। तुम दया, तुम करुणा पुणी थरे फेरी आसु प्रभु, पुणी थरे राम राज्य फेरी आसु प्रभु। आमे समस्ते आपणक ठारे बस होई रहिबु प्रभु। जय श्री राम जय श्री राम जय श्री राम।
Ram Navami. It is one of the auspicious festivals in Hindu religion. According to the Gregorian calendar, Lord Rama was born on Navami Tithi of Chaitra month. Ram Navami celebration in Ayodhya is the most remarkable as it is the birthplace of Lord Rama. During Ram Navami, devotees come to Ayodhya to celebrate Ram Navami. Lord Rama was believed that the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is believed that chanting of Ram mantras help anyone get rid of all sins and be blessed with all hope, wealth and prosperity. This year, Ram Navami celebration falls on 21st April 2021, that is Wednesday. In 1980s, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad launched a new movement to reclaim the site for Hindu and will build a temple dedicated to Lord Rama in Ayodhya. Last year, our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi laid the foundation of Ram Mandir at the site of Ram Janmabhoomi. As we know, Ram Mandir is an under construction Hindu temple in Ayodhya. It is designed in the Nagara style of Indian temple architecture. After completion of this temple, it will be the world's third largest Hindu shrine.
Dear children, if you go out to do things in the world, you cannot control what the world will throw at you. But what you make out of it is totally yours. Lord Rama is always in peaceful mindset. No matter how many difficulties came in life, he was always peaceful. Similarly, if you are in blissful mindset, no matter what difficulties will come in your way, you will not lose your mindset and your balance. This is the message we are getting from Lord Rama's life.
आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्. I bow to that Lord Rama, who is ever beautiful, who destroys all dangers and gives all sorts of wealth. Lord Rama, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu, is the central character of the Hindu epic Ramayana and is considered as one of the most important avatar of the deity. Rama is considered to be an enlightened man with regard for morals and values. He has also been given the title of Maryada Purushottam, which means the perfect man. He is believed to have lived in the Treta Yuga 1.2 million years ago. He has even been defined as the embodiment of truth, of morality, the ideal son, the ideal husband, and above all, the ideal king by Swami Vivekananda. For the perfection that he personifies, let's take a look at the best of his qualities.
Character traits of Lord Rama. Satisfaction. He was satisfied with whatever he had. Even a little less could not have bothered him. Loyalty. He never thought of woman other than Sita in his entire life. Kindness. He was a kind soul who wished well for every creature on earth. Spirituality. The title of a king did not stop him from performing his spiritual practices. Humility. He never talked about his goodness and greatness.
I would like to invite you to contemplate on the noble and virtuous message from Ramayana. When Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya, his mother Kaushalya asked, "Did you kill Ravan?" Then Lord Rama replied, "Mahagyani, Mahapratapi, Mahan Valshali, Akhand Pandit person who created Shiv Tandav Stotram, the mighty Lankesh was killed by his ego." Means, here Lord Rama was trying to say that Ravan is not the name of a person, but actually it is the name of evil thoughts like jealousy, ego, greed, etc., which exist within all of us. We must remove or kill all these kind of evil thoughts from our mind, which symbolize Ravan. Jai Shri Ram.
हर्षवरी के द्वार चले हम, जहाँ अहिल्या दीप जलाए। राम सत्य है सबके अंदर, आओ फिर से उसे जगाएं। शुभ अवसर है राम जन्म का, आओ सब मिल शीश झुकाएं। अंदर बैठे तमको मारे, आओ मिलजुल कर खुशी मनाएं। होने को बहुतेरे नवमी, इस नवमी की छठा निराली। नवराते जग शक्ति पूजे, शीतल ज्वाला गौरी काली। राम जन्म जिस नवमी होती, उस नवमी की महिमा अद्भुत। सृष्टि भी होती मतवाली, दिन में होली रात दिवाली। जय सिया राम।
रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजा मनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम्। रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजा मनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम्। पोषणाय वासवाधिविनुत सत्वराय मङ्गलम्। चारुकुङ्कुमोपेत चन्दनानुचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरिमङ्गलम्। कुण्डलाय तुलसीवनमालिकाय जलजसदृशदेहाय चारुमङ्गलम्। देवकी सुपुत्राय देवदेवोत्तमाय भावजा गुरुवराय भव्यमङ्गलम्। काक्षाय पूर्णचन्द्रवदनाय अण्डजावाहनाय अतुलमङ्गलम्। विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुमुखचित्तकामिताय शुभगमङ्गलम्। मृदुलहृदय तामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम्। स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम्। स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम्।
Wishing you all happy रामनवमी। आप सभी को रामनवमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय श्री राम।